You know what it is about the mountains? They make you and all your problems feel so small. They are freeing. And besides, the possibilities for epic outdoor adventures are endless. And that's exactly what we, Lia and Kevin from Tripping the Road, adore. So here's why we love to spend our summer vacations in the mountains. From hiking to swimming, back to basics, slowing down, and just overall enjoying life.
That is the plan for today. And the weather is with us. We have the sun shining. So breakfast time and then getting ready. Today's exciting and exhausting plan, conquering the mountain we have the best view of. The morning mist cleared quietly and we began our adventure of the day. So the plan for now, driving all the way down, only to hike all the way back up. There, yes, over there. Three hours and a half to get to the top, so I guess we get going.
The warmth of the first sun rays already cut through the trees and indicated that it was going to be a beautiful day. The first part of the climb, all through the woods, was steep and brutal, and this was only the beginning, because for the next 3.5 hours it only went up.
Kan hem nat maken.
We're halfway the climb, still 500 to go.
500
tough.
altimeters.
Yes, 500 altimeters.
And we passed the tree line, so sunshine it is.
Yes, it's pretty hot also.
Yeah, we can't complain though. So
We left the forest behind and began the second part of the climb, through immense green white grasslands. No more trees also means that from now on we can enjoy all these beautiful views. And in the meantime also realize how far or high or long we still have to go.
I guess that's the point we're aiming for. It's motivating and demotivating at the same time to see
For sure.
where you're going. The fun thing about being in these wide grass fields is that we can start looking for marmots, marmotjes, marmotten. Kevin is looking it up in English, how it's pronounced, but I don't think we have any connection here. We have?
We have
Okay then.
groundhog.
What? Groundhog.
Groundhog?
Groundhogs. Marmots.
Groundhog.
Okay then. Almost 2.5 hours in, and we are struggling. Whew. I think it's almost time for one more break and then one last push till the summit. Yay.
We were both struggling. The steepest part was yet to come, and we were tired and exhausted, out of energy. Lia had a little more energy left and took the lead. We continued for a while, each at our own pace. Woo! We're almost there. The end point is right there. Almost there.
Dat is sowieso het loopje dan. There is honestly nothing that tastes as good as lunch on top of a mountain. Chocolate, cheese, tomatoes, eggs and more cheese. The best part, we even brought salt and pepper with us, because tomatoes and eggs with salt and pepper,
Yeah, without salt and pepper, it's nothing.
It's not the same. And I will need these as well. It's only when we are going down I'm using them. Kevin uses them when climbing as well. So, yes. Yeah. Oh. It has become a bit of a tradition by now, especially if you watched our previous vlog. Then you know that after a day of heavy labor, we love to take a super cold dip in a mountain river to refresh ourselves. And of course, also because we just don't have a bathroom in our house, which we don't mind. On the contrary, it's these things that make these trips so adventurous and epic. And it's these simple moments that stay with us the longest. Time for Italian food and the most important Italian dessert.
Don't look back, don't forget, you gotta let
kunnen hier nog haken vooruit halen.
The next morning we took it slow and recharged our batteries. In our mountain cabin, high up in the mountains, away from society. But back to basics also means that all the chores must be done in a slightly, how shall we call it? A primary way.
The wind sucks a bit. It's still pretty warm, but not warm enough to get in the water, I think.
But
We will see.
we will see if we will get
I
in.
want to get in, but I have a feeling it will be like freezing cold. I also have to wash my hair, so I'll have to get in.
I'll try it too.
Yes. It is his second time in the mountains, and he is reading about the Mount Everest, K2, and all the highest peaks in the world because that is what he's into at the moment.
Of course, but it's all in French, so
And he's learning French as well.
trying to do my best, and Lia translates some words for me if I don't understand it.
But if we are lucky with the weather, we will do a peak above the 3000 altimeter, so hopefully
Yeah, hopefully it's
Even,
the same experience.
It's kind of the same.
The pictures look cool.
It will be cool as well above the 3000 instead of 8000 meters.
Definitely. We just spotted this climbing wall, so we have to try it. Lia's going first. Hopefully we don't
okay.
break something.
It's Kevin his preparation for the Mont Blanc or
Yeah,
Mount
yeah.
Everest
Need
in
to
his
be prepared.
dreams.
Tonight in my dreams.
One thing about us, we always dream big and chase adrenaline. We just love adventures, getting out of our comfort zone and trying out new things. I mean, that's how you know you're alive, right? Home sweet home, and we got treated on this like candy cotton, pink skies.
And of course today we can't get down without any problems. Look at that.
Kevin will try and fix it. There's a lot of wind, as you can see. Twice a week it's market day, and thus a reason to go down to the biggest place in the Ubai Valley, Barcelonnette. It is not only a pleasant affair, but also the perfect time to go shopping to buy all kinds of fresh, local and moreover delicious products. Voilà, merci beaucoup. Ça sera tout.
Comme ça. Voilà.
Merci. It's time for lunch outside in the sun, and we'll be sharing them. Oh, they look super big and delicious.
We will need this for our little adventure or big adventure coming this afternoon. So
First lunch and then
we're going on an adventure.
out in the woods.
Oh.
We're getting changed and then we're out to have some fun. Ta-da!
A physical activity not to be underestimated, and still pretty scary too. Yes, even though you are roped up.
Fuck!
Ciao.
The wind moves the trees and you are still 12 to even 20 meters above the ground.
It is fun, but at the same time I'm like peeing my pants and dying inside. And fun fact, the trees are moving because of the wind, so not so fun to be honest.
And I think we definitely deserved an ice cream now.
Yay!
Woo!
2 flavors.
Yes.
Pour moi, le cookies et chocolat blanc dans...
Cornet?
Oui, merci beaucoup.
Zo.
And after our playful little adventure, it was time to prep for a bigger quest we had planned. Our summit above 3,000 meters. And of course, you don't do something like that unprepared. So time to pack everything up and get ready for another crazy adventure.